Hello, my name's Mike. I'm going to give you a quick demonstration of one of the many new features in Esperient Creator. This feature is called Ambient Occlusion. Ambient Occlusion is a way of lighting an object. In this case, we're going to light this widget we have here on the screen. And what it does is it will darken the areas of the scene where there's joints or, for instance, these holes that are in the back of the widget here. If that was a real object, those would be darker because the lighting wouldn't actually be fully lighting those faces. Same with the in here in this circle. So what we'll use the new feature Ambient Occlusion. What I'm going to do is I'll go up here and I'll select the object, and we're going to insert an alteration. And the alteration we're looking for is going to be light map. We'll select the light map alteration. And by default, the light map alteration comes in as a shadow map. And we're going to change that to an ambient occlusion. Now the map size is, this is the size of the image that's going to be unwrapped around my widget. In this case, it defaults to 128 by 128 pixels, which is a little bit small for something this size. So what we're going to do is we're going to increase that to just 256. So it's not a very big image, but it'll give us a little bit better of effect. Some of the other settings we'll just leave to the default, and all we're going to do is we're going to simply press the Recalculate Light Map button. Now, this is going to take a few minutes to actually calculate the lighting. This is a very intense algorithm that actually fires, in some cases, hundreds of thousands of light rays through the scene to figure out what objects are that should be in shadow or shouldn't. Okay, our ambient occlusion took a few minutes to calculate, but it's finished, and now you can see the effect of the scene. So the object is now darkened in the crease areas of the little widget here on the screen. Now, one of the interesting things about ambient occlusion is once it's calculated, you can actually change the amount of the lighting or the effect that's going to happen to the scene. And the way you do that is you go over to the ambient occlusion amount in the settings, and you can actually adjust it up and down. We can actually take it all the way down so the ambient occlusion lighting is gone. And if we turn it up a little bit, you'll see the areas of the widget darken depending on how much I set the amount. So that's ambient occlusion.